Do you watch American movies and TV shows? Or have you moved to the US recently and hear phrases that make no sense? Like spill the beans or the whole 9 yards? Today I'll teach you the top 15 idioms Americans use all the time. So after watching this video, you'll understand Americans instantly and you'll sound more natural when you speak. Hi, I'm Tiff and I've helped learners across the world improve their English, speaking, writing, acing their interviews or exams, you name it. And here in my YouTube channel, you get to benefit from all of that. So let's dive right in. Break the ice. This means to make people feel comfortable in a new situation. For example, he cracked a joke to break the ice. Teachers always play a game to break the ice with the new students. Spill the beans. This means to reveal a secret. She spilled the beans about the surprise party. Don't spill the beans about my new job yet. Hit the books means to study hard. She hit the books before her exams. I need to hit the books for my test. A piece of cake refers to something very easy. The exam was a piece of cake. Cooking pasta is a piece of cake. Under the weather. It means feeling sick or unwell. I'm a bit under the weather today. He missed the party because he was under the weather. Costs an arm and a leg. That means very expensive. That phone costs an arm and a leg. My last vacation cost me an arm and a leg. Hit the sack. This means to go to bed, to go to sleep. I'm very tired. I'm going to hit the sack. She hit the sack very early last night. Bite the bullet. This means to accept something difficult. I hate going to the dentist, but I'll bite the bullet. He bit the bullet and revealed the secret. Let the cat out of the bag. This means to accidentally reveal a secret. Don't let the cat out of the bag before the party. He let the cat out of the bag about a promotion. Break a leg. This is a way of saying good luck. You could say this before a big performance. Break a leg at tomorrow's exam. The director told the actress to break a leg. Call it a day. It means to stop working for the time being. We've been studying for hours. Let's call it a day. The workers called it a day at 5 p.m. The whole 9 yards. This means the full effort, everything possible. She went the whole 9 yards for her wedding. The team gave the whole 9 yards in the game. Cut to the chase. This means get to the main point quickly. Let's cut to the chase. Do you want this job or not? He cut to the chase and explained the problem. Ballpark figure. It's an approximate number or estimate. Can you give me a ballpark figure for the cost? The ballpark figure is $5,000. On the same page. That means agreeing or having the same understanding. Before we start, let's make sure we are on the same page. The manager wants everyone on the same page. Now it's your turn. Write a short sentence in the comments using one of these idioms. I'll check them for you. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe and share with a friend who is learning English. And don't forget to check my next video on common English mistakes. You might be making them too.